La neige de 2009. Ah, je prends mes français. C'est ma première fois pour la vidéo photo appareil. My first time with a video camera, so I'm gonna suck. This is the mall, Langley Mall, for Nicole, who misses it so much. Haha, not really. I'd rather be in Germany. There's pizza place. Oh, Baloo like pizza? And Jello's pizza. Okay. I hope I get enough. I have enough on this. Shit, how is my battery running out? I just recharged it. Batteries and me do not get along well. Baloo, the Canada Post. Pour le carte. The postal. Oui. Vélo. Ho 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 ho. C'est belle. C'est belle. It is January 4th, the first time a bank since 1964 we have this weather. Dude's waiting for some pot. You picking up some pot? Little kid in the bank. Oh la la. Say, oops. Oh, tu veux me voir? Hey, I'm upside down. How come I'm upside down, Nicole? This is straight. Oh, my thing's probably upside down. Is it? Shouldn't be.